supposed to mean something to me, lady? Mia, focus on the dagger! You had a clear shot and didn't take it.
I don't want to hurt you. We care too much for each other.
Speak for yourself, lady.
I love you. I will always love you.
And I will always hate